if you are in this, if you are in OkCupid, then you have given up on life.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like OTT bundle for dating apps.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
not a bad idea.
I would be the ambassador of this idea.
Yeah,
at
I
this
think you
point.
should be the one casting
I'll
in
just
like those
go.
ads.
वो Tinder क्या notification देता है देखो. Do something nice for yourself today. Get on Tinder and make some matches. Make some matches. It's not like
Oh
get
yeah,
some.
yeah. Not even
Make
get.
some matches.
This is the guy we saw kissing pictures of on Instagram, and we were like so cute, and we were like, this is the relationship we want, and all these things. And I was like, shit. And I was like,
Hey, you are getting the
maybe
same relationship. Hey.
I didn't uninstall. She got my phone and she deleted my Hinge account and uninstalled.
Why the fuck did you have Hinge or Bumble
Yeah.
while you were with her?
Designed to be deleted.
Coming to the second part of the episode. Fuck, bro. That's crazy. Fuck. I mean, great. What a great way to segue into dating apps. So what a great way to get a segue
So
into
we know
dating
exactly
apps.
what went wrong. So
yeah. Exactly. मतलब 5 लोगों के life में तो अभी dude 4 people, sorry, at least 4 people. Hey, Soda, were you ever on dating apps? You were also there, no?
But my
Oh, yeah.
conversion was better offline, I must say. But
Nice.
like I think when I was using dating apps, Hinge had just come in.
Okay.
It came like in Mumbai, Bangalore, and all. First, Chennai, mein, if you download, you can only download, nothing else you can. I think Tinder was there. Bumble had started. OkCupid. Nobody knew what OkCupid was because uska ek website tha, the UI UX was so bad that
Yeah.
if you are in this, if you are in OkCupid, then you have given up on life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't talk to me this way, okay?
No,
Like,
now it's an actual app. Back then it was just a bad website.
Correct.
Like,
I
like
agree.
if you cut just the first half, like saying the conversion rate was low, this would make a great LinkedIn podcast.
Yeah, if Orkut took a shit and did not flush, that's what OkCupid looked like.
What?
Yeah.
What? So Soda was in there for quite some time. Rishi, so when did you quit dating apps, Rishi? Because you are in a relationship now. So
Around I guess August.
Oh, August. Nice. Which was the last dating app you uninstalled?
Hinge.
Oh, nice.
Actually,
Meant to
I
be
didn't.
deleted, it's fine.
No, I didn't uninstall. She got my phone and she deleted my Hinge account and uninstalled.
Why the fuck did you have Hinge or Bumble
Yeah.
while you were with her? ये बता मेरे को.
Actually, I haven't opened it for a while. Almost 3-4 months. I have.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Hey,
Seriously.
Archita, don't project your trauma of men on Rishi, okay? Please,
Sorry, again. Bullshit. I had to say it 3 times.
उसका ADHD है, Rishi. Don't take it personally. बता तू.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, that was the last dating app I had uninstalled. Hinge. Because I got the match in Hinge. So.
Oh, you got it from
Oh.
Hinge. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's why she knew that she had to uninstall it.
But then did you
No, not
uninstall in her phone?
No, not only uninstall.
Yeah.
She got it and deleted my account forever.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
deleted the account. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
nice. Did you delete
Smart
her
kid.
account?
Yeah.
Good.
Hey, nice.
Good.
That's really nice.
Yeah, like
Equality.
Yeah, I have
then
done
fine.
this. I have done this with someone. Like we didn't take each other's phones, but we were like 3, 2, 1. like that Kanan Gill joke. No, 3, 2, 1. Skid. Like that. We uninstalled one app. Like this is somebody else. But I don't know if Hinge still does this. I think it was Hinge only because initially when Hinge came, the idea was it is for people who are
designed
looking
to be
for more.
deleted. Designed to be deleted.
Yeah,
I know
that's
that is
exactly
there.
it.
Yeah, that is there. But because their whole sales pitch was, hey, we are here to help you find like long term. If you haven't been on Hinge for a while, you used to get an email and that email used to say, "Hey,
Oh,
we've not seen you on Hinge, and we are guessing that you found somebody. So good luck, thank you, बोल के very sweetly they're like, hey, if you ghost us, it's good news for us. Thank you." ऐसा they used to send email.
अच्छा। अभी ये लोग आके पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन का मेल बेचता है कि
Yeah, because there are people
if
like
you
you,
haven't
no?
found yeah
was
yeah
like मैं
exactly
निकलने का सोच रहा हूँ बट निकलने की औकात
नहीं
में
No,
बहुत
निकलने
बाहर
ये
you know
हूँ।
ले
what
तेरे
I'm
लिए
saying?
50% ऑफ ले ले
You
50%
know
ऑफ
how
ले
Amazon
and
is
fucking
offering like for a fraction of the money, Amazon is offering like Apple TV and like fan
हाँ
this one and all. I think like that all these apps like, they should talk to each other and be like, hey man, this person has 3 apps. Okay, so मिला के एक नंबर पे सबका एक प्रीमियम उसको लगा के दे, so that you know he doesn't have to sign up on each one. I feel that is a good idea because then you just have to do one premium instead of three in each app.
Like OTT bundle for dating apps.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
yeah
actually
yeah
not a bad idea.
I would be the ambassador of this idea
Yeah,
at
I
this
think you
point.
should be the one casting
I'll
in
just
like those
go.
ads.
Yeah, I think I should. Yeah, I
Hey, no,
should
he
just
should
go.
not be in the ads. Then him and this girl just awkwardly look at each other and then that's all. That's the ad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We opened
Hey,
on
but this
Nikhil
was
walking to the bus and then there is this girl. People
In
think
Holi.
that they matched on Hinge, but nothing happened.
They only saw the feeds.
Yeah. But yeah, and then there'll be a voiceover that will say, is nothing happening for you also? Then pay for premium, bitch.
You could be feet apart, but you could still make it work. Okay.
wow,
Never
wow. Nice. चलो. ए बट तो बाकी सब लोग क्या है? तुम लोग का है क्या डेटिंग ऐप पे?
यार इतनी तंग आ चुकी हूँ मैं आई एम जस्ट लाइक कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए यार छोड़ दो मेरे को लाइक
Oh, you are
it's
that bad. Like it's that bad for you?
no I think for me see the issue for me is because I like my job also involves talking to a lot of people मेरे से वो होता नहीं है कि वापस आके ढूंढने के लिए बैठ के बात करो and put that effort in because by the time I'm like figuring out work and dealing with life I'm just like मुझे बात नहीं करना है तुम्हें एफर्ट लेना है तुम लो इट्स नॉट लाइक एंड आई प्रिफर दैट ऑर्गेनिक कॉन्वर्जेशन रादर देन मुझे सबकॉन्शियसली पता है कि भाई तुम ट्राई कर रहे हो मैं भी ट्राई कर रही हूँ
Yeah. Okay.
I'm like हाँ तुम ये लाइन इसीलिए मार रहे हो because you want to do it. It's not like you're meaning in saying
You are
it.
not forced to it.
Hmm.
Oh,
Like
ऐसा.
you're not
Okay.
organically saying it. Or one more thing is I don't know because of the kind of job that I've been doing like I used to work with marketing a lot or मैं like कैंपेन्स लिखती थी आई एम जस्ट लाइक भाई इसके पीछे जो जाता है मुझे पता है ये एल्गोरिदम
Okay.
बेस्ड मैच है तो इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम एक्चुअली लाइक मैं कुछ भी लिख सकती हूँ एडिट करके 3 दिन मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला तो मैं कल जाके लिख सकती हूँ आई एम लाइक अ डॉग मॉम और समथिंग मेरे पास अब कुत्ता है ही नहीं जस्ट टू गेट अ मैच
Oh,
I draw
just
Right.
scam.
very well.
या लाइक सो
That
मतलब मैं
is
इतनी
only for
होपलेस
GT, huh? That
रोमांटिक
is
हूँ मुझे
only.
ये समझ जाता नहीं है बट आई एम ऑल्सो दैट पर्सन की कभी कभी जाके एक अटेंडेंस डाल के आती हूँ लाइक 1-2 हफ्ते रहती हूँ एंड देन आई एम जस्ट
Has
लाइक
Bollywood like reduced our ways to serial, like ruined, or has it elevated your experience in romance, or is it like created this thing कि यार is this is मतलब if it's not too Bollywood is so which is why it's not working, or what is it? Like did
you're asking
Bollywood
has
sort of
Bollywood made it worse or has Bollywood made my our expectations higher what is
I don't know about expectations being higher because Bollywood sort of taught wrong things masquerading as romance in a way. So with that, what we consumed from Bollywood was not really ki, oh, this is cutesy, this is like okay, stalking एक time पे cutesy था यार. And I'm like ये क्या
yeah
ये क्यों है cutesy? So it's like again that the trend of पहले I love you बोलेगा फिर hi बोलेगा was like a very Bollywood trend only. No, ऐसा
Yeah.
no
पंगा being stuck.
like I think
And
for
there are chutias like me who are stalking and then जब girl is बाजू में you're like अरे इसको क्या करे अभी? So it's
see maybe my thing is also because of that because मैं बचपन से like you know when I grew up I was like always told कि प्यार दोस्ती है right you know I grew
ah
up with that thing कि अगर वो मेरे सबसे अच्छा दोस्त नहीं बन सकता है, नॉनसेंस. तो अभी आई एम लाइक लुकिंग फॉर दैट फ्रेंडशिप कि this will lead
Oh.
to this, or that's like a core in me where if I cannot befriend this person, like that's like a non-negotiable for me. I need to have that conversation. फिर then बड़े होके when I saw कुछ कुछ then I'm like भाई दोस्ती बोल बोल के तू उसकी बैंड बजा के रखा है, उसका पूरा इकोसिस्टम खराब करके रखा है तूने, right? Like
And then when she's about to marry Salman, he
yeah,
just
you're like
entered.
bro.
Oh, because you brought up Salman, I was just thinking that
Selfish.
I was just for some reason reminded of that Dabangg dialogue. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता सर. Super
प्यार
like
से लगता है.
super
I
like.
think
Super
that
like
is
Salman.
the dialogue came from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai only. He
Oh,
was so
seriously?
traumatized by that he had to write that dialogue.
हम एक बार
No.
जीते हैं,
Oh yeah.
एक बार मरते हैं,
बार मरते
प्रेम भी एक
प्यार
ही
भी
बार
एक ही बार होता है और शादी भी एक ही बार है. नॉनसेंस, तूने दो बार किया है रे.
Bro,
Very funny.
imagine your dying wife knew how thirsty you are कि तेरे बेटी को भी तेरा दलाल बना के
No, and you know it's like the funniest
reverse
thing where
Nikhil.
like it's the
Oh,
funniest thing
wow.
where like
Hey, I'm not.
उसका पहला
I'm
प्यार
not.
अंजलि नहीं था, but like अंजलि का पहला प्यार ये था. I'm like bro, what nonsense. Like
Yeah.
what are you trying to say? But it's
Because
still
that's
my
why it's
cheap
called.
movie. Like it's still my guilty pleasure. I will say it. As much as I hate on
Yeah.
it, I will go and like secretly watch it.
Yeah. Because
Uh,
it's kuch kuch
It's
hota hai. Koi
you. And she'll watch it. And she'll marry it. That's
koi na.
वही बाकी
Koi
था. अब वही बाकी है.
na. So सारे. So कोई ना. मुझको क्या हुआ है?
क्यों मैं खो
क्यों
गया?
खो-
So-
पागल.
क्या मैं पहले
Okay, this is karaoke now. Let's.
Yeah, अब हो गया
Jimmy,
हूँ. Okay,
but-
guys.
Hey, I got mic.
कंगी. Nice.
Orbit
but-
की bottle.
Hey, but yeah, प्यार दोस्ती है scam is a little like I don't know. Like I
It is
I
not.
agree.
I can say
Never
it is
get
not a
that
scam.
Scam.
I'm sorry, but I
sorry,
don't
sorry.
agree
हाँ.
that प्यार दोस्ती नहीं है.
Sorry,
but,
sorry. हाँ.
हाँ.
Hmm.
I am
Sorry,
exception
sorry.
to the rule.
मैं my fault
That's-
only.
No,
That-
I am exception to the rule. Like I'm not saying I'm mainstream.
No, see the
Ah,
problem is
because you wrote poems.
नहीं
Yeah, but
no, but he
also,
is
like,
saying
there are
like
two
it
ways to
worked for
look
him.
at it.
yeah, like
No,
my
no, no.
relationship
there are
now is
two
very
ways
much
to
like
work
a
it.
friendship only.
It's nice.
But वही तो मैं बोल रहा दो there are two things with it. There was one aspect of it कि लड़का लड़की दोस्ती रह सकता, and there is other aspect which is like हाँ प्यार दोस्ती. You need that friendship to
See,
form into that.
now
My
that
problem
becomes
is with
an
the
issue.
second one.
That's where the
Hmm.
issue, like,
हाँ.
if girl and boy cannot stay friends, that is forcing pyar dosti. Don't
Hmm.
force. That is the problem.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This
At
shows
the
how
platonic
you
friendships
got
exist.
blocked in friendship in school.
No,
Yeah,
see, because
yeah.
the latter is a possibility. Like the dosti can lead to pyar, but not
Mhm.
all dosti needs to be pyar, which is where the issue is. Like
Yeah.
saying ladka ladki dosti is like saying har dosti pyar
Yeah.
mein badhta hai. It's not true.
Also,
Like
I think if you have enough friends in life, no, you don't need your partner also to be friends. You can have like a
हाँ.
partner separate and friends separate.
मतलब नहीं it's what do you define as friendship? Like there is also like we have different circles and different friends ना मतलब which we connect in different ways. मतलब like I'll connect with GB in a different way than I would connect with like Archita or Soda or Pravishit or Rishi. So it's very different वैसा. But having said that, प्यार दो उस पे भी प्यार का element is also different. You need to have an element of friendship in it to fall for somebody as well. So you need that like what क्या है कैसे समझो? I don't like I
no, I
lack
know
the
it's a
words to
beginning
explain
point.
right
Like
now.
you need to have that. Like they you need
हाँ.
to be compatible. Like to have that friendship. But
हाँ.
my point is, see, the expectation set it to a point where it became like it needs to always start with friendship. It need not sometimes. It can start with hate.
हाँ.
It can start with
हाँ.
like बढ़ते I came to realize like what Soda said is sometimes they may not, you might eventually grow to become friends.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
yeah.
like each other, but you're also like so polar opposite. It's not like
Yeah.
you guys are agreeing on everything, but that's also,
Hmm.
I mean, not Kabir Singh wala hate love, but like disagreeing is also a form of love. Like,
Yeah, the disagreeing is a part of love only. No, you won't. I don't think you
hmm.
will ever agree with your partner for everything in your life. No, there's some
Yeah, but
disagreements has to take
cringy
place.
couples on Instagram do. They just agree on it.
अरे मैं उनको अनफॉलो करता है.
फिर भी एल्गोरिदम मेरे को 3 बजे रात को दिखाती है.
So, to change your food, yeah. So the thing that I like looking at is food reels. So I just like, and whenever I see like fucking some random thing which I am not even interested in, so I go and report that reel. Like,
I
I
can't
don't, I'm
believe
not
Report.
interested.
I
I'm
can't believe
not
that even when it comes to food, Nikhil just looks and does nothing.
Hey, I ordered the fucker.
आंखों में इशारे में रह जाएंगे. Like,
या वो तो है. ये यार ये स्कूल
it's
ने
just
ना क्या
that.
ट्रॉमेटाइज कर रखा है ना, आई स्वेयर. बेंचो अभी भी मैं वहीं पे हूँ. आई एम स्टिल लाइक कि अरे हाँ देखेंगे क्या होता है टाइप्स. एंड आई एम लाइक अरे देखा नहीं. आई एम 28 नाउ. दिस ईयर आई विल टर्न 28. क्या ही अभी
Right.
fucking हाँ अभी
करने
भी आई एम
की
like dude my niece has gotten married. Like one of my मतलब my cousin sister's daughter has gotten married and I am here with what face am I supposed to say? अरे I have a crush on a girl right now at 28.
और मैं
What
बात
the
नहीं
fuck?
कर सकता हूँ. मैं सिर्फ उसके पैरों दिखता हूँ. Like,
no, I can't. That's the reason why मेरे BTS पे मेरा पैर है वहाँ पे. Like मेरा पैर का फोटो वहाँ पे डाल के रखा है मैंने वहाँ पे. Fucking crazy. But yeah.
Oh, but the thing about dating apps, like in a weird way, once in a while, like dating apps still randomly come into my life because I have friends who are on dating apps. So what happens is if they come across any of my exes on the dating app, they take screenshots
Oh.
and then they send it to my girlfriend. And then she shows me, say, oh, guess who popped up in this person's hinge. I'm like, okay, but what do I do now? I have moved on. Why are you showing me this flashback?
no, but I have to say this. Like, he's talking about his exes. So, like, I have a story where my friends, when they're on dating apps and they find, like, we have, like, this gossip sessions where we're like, oh, you know, this person was dating this person and now they broke up or whatever. And they spot either one of them. Like, for example, if a girl is on the app and she spots the guy, or they're like, oh my God, wait, how long has he been here? Like, they just broke up. It's like, that is a conversation which is so exciting to have. Like, being like,
And then you
"Bhai,
try
देख
to
क्या-"
find these.
Yeah, that's a whole
कब गया?
Bollywood film on its own.
Yeah. When did this guy end up on this app? When did this girl? What was her past? What was his past?
Yeah, and then you
what did he
start
do for 2
decoding like their
months?
Instagram. Like, oh my
Fucking
God, wait, they stopped posting pictures together from like
yeah,
this
yeah.
moment. And then, you know, he
You
was
know the
posting like cryptic images at this time.
the
And
best
that's why
thing
you're
is
getting
when
these cringe couple reels, Sarshika.
yeah.
You have
Wait,
done this.
I
This
just
is your karma. If you
see,
slip
I
in
just need
other
to tell
couple,
you, I just need to
But you
tell
know
you,
सबसे
like,
ज्यादा बट सबसे ज्यादा ना ऐसा ऐसा चीप थ्रिल जो आता है ना, चीप थ्रिल भी नहीं, दिस जस्ट दिस रैंडम एक्साइटमेंट यू एंड अप गेटिंग इज द कपल हु एंड्स अप पोस्टिंग अ लॉट स्टॉप्स पोस्टिंग, ओके, एंड देन यू नोटिस इट लाइक 3-4 months or 5 months later, लाइक ये लोग पोस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट सीइंग दैट अरे ये डिलीट क्यों कर दिया ये लोग अपना कपल पोस्ट, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट थिंक अरे ये लोग अनफॉलो क्यों कर दिया, पहले देन आई लाइक यू एंड अप गोइंग डाउन इन दैट रैपिड होल एंड देन यू लाइक oh fuck they are
I have
broken
been
up
on both
ऐसा.
sides of that spectrum.
Oh shit! Wow. Okay. Let's go on. Wait.
No, but
Wait.
I just like just for Soda saying that. No, I just need to admit that sometimes
Yeah.
the person I discuss this with is also Soda.
Oh yeah.
Like,
me and Pranishika do housewife gossip like anything. Weekly
like
once
when
we will
Yes,
call
yes.
him like, you know who said that? Can you believe? What? Oh my God! Like
then
we
Yeah.
this
were
is
standing right
this,
there and we just got into the bus and left. What is this? Yeah, like that we just
Yeah,
gossip.
yeah.
like this
And
is
you know the
called
thing
content
is,
jamming. Like,
Yeah.
he'll be
this
like, hey, I
fucker
have this
calls
real
me.
idea. Can we talk? And then we get into this rabbit hole. We're like, why did you like that reel? I saw it. And then like, why did you read first?
Yeah. Hey, this and then ये information आते आते फिर मेरे को ही आता है. Soda calls me. And then I'm getting such random information out of nowhere and I'm like I'm happy. What still? तू मेरी कांट क्यों मार रहा है? That I did not talk to her again. Why
Oh
the fuck am I
God.
hearing it from you? Like,
Now we know we have
I
something.
get
We're
it.
like, did Nikhil actually talk to this girl, or was he like staring at her
Yeah.
feet? This is
Yeah.
a conversation.
This is a. I don't think I can ever be the
Sometimes they
same
discussed
with my
what was
friend.
on her feet. Like cow dung.
What was on her feet?
Oh,
What?
Bro,
Nikhil's,
that was OG
Nikhil's
food
dignity.
feet.
Nikhil's dignity was on her feet.
Mark clip. Okay. Wait. One more thing I'll do. Mute soda.
Like I'm just
Oh, God.
thinking,
Uh,
like if
uh,
Nikhil was ever to be on like Bharat Matrimony or something, and the girl
Bharat
finds
matrimony.
this
Wow.
podcast episode, she's gonna be like, "Bhai, what is my family gotten me into?"
Yeah. ये सिर्फ पैर देख रहा है. ये
Yeah,
सिर्फ
feet
पैर देख
fetish.
रहा है. What the fuck? Feet
मैं हाथ में
feet
मेहंदी
देखेंगे.
नहीं लगाऊंगी शादी पे, पैरों में लगाऊंगी. वो वही ढूंढेगा मेरा नाम.
Yeah. Which is the
उसका
reason
नाम.
why the
Sorry,
first
उसका.
song.
Along with his
Nikhil,
dignity.
you can tell her, baby, you and I make the perfect pair.
Solo strikes.
Next BTS episode, 4 pairs of feet.
Chee.
Nikhil's
Yeah,
like,
4 pairs
मैंने
of feet because you're in the bathroom together.
No, Nikhil's like, I called these people to like actually make jokes about their life. और
No.
मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ जब ये लोग मेरे को
Yeah.
In
Oh,
Nikhil
wow.
Tarantino.
Will you retire after the 9th one?
No, I'm not even kidding. ये सब कर रहे हो ना तुम लोग. मेरे को Tinder क्या notification देता है देखो. Do something nice for yourself today. Get on Tinder and make some matches. Make some matches. It's
Make.
not like
Oh,
get some.
yeah. Not even
Make
get.
some matches.
Make.
Let's just make fucking.
Yeah.
क्या ही बोलूं bro.
And now only matches have to be made for him.
Yeah.
That's why it's made in feet, not heaven.
No. This was a miss. It's fine. Just like how I missed her.
Face.
You can't miss something you never had, Nikhil.
never had. चलो. कोई ना.
Okay.
So बाकी सब तो GB, you are there क्या dating पे?
It's a quarterly thing. Every 3 months I install the app and I see if I can get matches. If I get matches, it means I have my market value is still good.
Yeah. अच्छा, market value. I agree.
Yeah. Validation got then delete.
He
But
sounds
every
like a
3 months are
perfect
you
sales
changing?
employee.
Huh?
What?
Yeah.
Pravesh, you go.
He sounds like the perfect sales employee. It's a quarterly effort that I put. 3 deals I close, and I know my market value is good. I've gotten my rating. I fuck.
Yeah.
3
Yeah.
out
Yeah.
of 55 is fine only.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
conversion
every
rates are
3
still
months.
bad.
Every 3 months when you install again, are you changing photos? Are you changing bio? Are you doing anything different?
Yeah, full A/B testing I am doing. I am changing the
A/B
bio.
test.
Yeah, dude, this is algorithmic. Like I have a
बता system बता तू अपना. Yeah.
I mean system. No, it's
Look at these men.
Archita will come to yours later, okay? Then we'll find out. Look at this man.
Oh,
or
I
look at
have
this-
many
wait,
stories.
wait.
See, the problem is when I put in any effort and think algorithmically and all, I get fuck all. Okay. And then the first date I ever went on was because I randomly comment, like it was on Hinge, and I randomly, she put, she's like a spontaneous person. Okay. I was like a spontaneous ass. Then spontaneous coffee date question mark I put. She was like,
Did she
okay.
spontaneously unmatched?
No. She was like, okay. And that was the first date I ever went on. Like
Oh.
3 p.m. match, 8 p.m. date.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah.
क्या बात है,
Learn,
क्या
Nikhil.
बात है.
And this is my first date. I have no idea how to behave on a date. I have no idea.
How to behave क्या तू ऐसा क्या कर रहा है? What are you doing?
I don't know. Like, what's a date? I've only seen it in fucking. Yeah,
What
I'm
the fuck
behaving
are
like
you
that only. Okay.
What the fuck are you doing? मेरे को बता.
I don't
Are
know.
you
like,
looking at her feet?
hey,
Yeah, that's
I
what you
looked
do,
into her. I look
Hey, but
into her
also,
eyes.
also
Okay.
it's Qatar. I mean, sorry, it's Kuwait. No, it's either eyes or feet. What other option you have?
No.
अरे
This
सोना
is
फकर कुवैत से अभी मेरे
Oh,
को
now
कोई
I
देगा
know why
नहीं
you were thrown out of the country.
hey.
Hey, he wasn't thrown out. He
I,
Hey.
I
started
I'm not allowed back. That is true, but
That doesn't
my
mean he's
visa
thrown out.
expired. Okay.
That
I just
doesn't
said what I said.
which is bullshit. Okay.
No,
Okay,
that
but
I
wait,
did.
but wait, I'm curious to
yeah,
hear about the
3
date. What
o'clock.
did you do?
8 o'clock. What did you do?
No. We went to a cafe. We started talking. She was like 2 years older than me. Okay. So like instantly it was it felt very sisterly for some reason.
What? Hey, proper.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay,
I
guys,
amazing.
also listen,
You were
Kuwait. Okay. So,
wait,
No.
exactly.
This is not Kuwait. This is India only. Okay.
oh,
Oh,
okay.
this is India.
But
Yeah.
he learned it, no?
Huh?
Learned behavior.
Did you get a cousin sister वाला vibe or?
क्यों
I'm
कौन
coming
से
to the.
सिस्टर से तू डेट कर सकते है? क्लैरिफाई कर तू.
Hey,
There are people
this.
who are getting
You did
married.
not
Yeah,
get
क्या
it.
बोल रही है? Cousin sisters को there are people getting married. Yeah, what are you saying?
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, like if it is
So
like distant enough, then maybe.
so
Never met.
she was Christian. She was Malayali, and turns out her house is also near, like native places are similar. We could be related. So yeah,
Oh, like
Oh.
it got awkward. And
अच्छा.
because it was my first date, I was like, okay, maybe it'll be like maybe a second date. She was like, no.
She's like, sorry, no.
Yeah. So I was
He
like,
was like
okay.
भैया नहीं.
Yeah.
भैया नहीं.
so
I was
did you
like,
say
I try.
okay, Chelsea, and leave?
I think she's doing good. She works.
Guys,
She like.
new app idea. You heard of OK Cupid? Have you heard of OK Chelsea?
Okay, shit.
Shows she writes for a newspaper, and I read the newspaper and see if her name is there
Oh,
once in a
wow.
while.
Very nice.
क्या?
भाई इनका अलग
Yeah.
Motherfuckers, मैं फीड देखा वो प्रॉब्लम है वो भी ऐसा ये कुल्लम कुल्ला न्यूज़पेपर लेके just because a boy is talking cutely does
One
not
second.
mean
Why are you saying खुल्ला newspaper जैसे कि सब ऐसा ticket में ही पढ़ रहे
Yeah,
हैं?
anybody can see newspaper and read. No.
Yeah.
Hey, listen. He went on the date. You saw feet and ran away.
At
Yeah.
least, at least
I
he
didn't run
spoke.
away, okay?
At least
I
he
didn't
spoke.
run.
Yeah.
वो
And
sister
and
है
I, and I
कि
read now also.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
net profit only. I am
reading
smarter
newspaper.
every day.
I guess
Yeah,
Nikhil was
correct.
looking at her feet for the touring to spot the
For
touring
what?
whether she's married or not every day.
ए ये क्या बात है? Wow, hey Rishi, hey fuck you, I'll block you
Hey, he's on your
right.
side only,
I'll
bro.
give
He's
you.
on your side. He's trying to say that was a reason for you to look at her feet.
Yeah, sure.
Take the win
Thank
and
you.
leave. Run. Sorry.
But clearly,
Run.
we have learned today that clearly looking at feet is not as bad as reading newspaper. Information.
Yes.
So kindly avoid. When you go to tea shop, don't read newspaper there.
look at feet.
Public indifference.
Look at
Yeah,
feet.
look at feet. Yeah.
Look at feet. Okay, Chibi.
Yeah.
There
That was the first date. Then then what? Then
Why
all
did he
the other
suddenly
stories.
become real girl, Ravi? Or Arunachala Bhavan.
Then there was this one time where I matched with someone while I was in Kerala. It was a random because when you're in my hometown, when you try to open Hinge, it will match with random people across the state because I live in a village type place. Okay, so it matched with one person on the other side of the state. Okay, and we ended up talking for a month and a half. Chumma talking, which was actually very fun. Like like she was a really nice person. She was a physics teacher who wanted to become an physicist and
Oh,
stuff.
wow.
Okay, she couldn't because of reasons, and now she is an illustrator. She
Drawing
uh,
goats.
Drawing codes, yes.
oh shit, is there a pattern?
Oh
I
yes.
didn't see.
Oh fuck.
Pay us
Read the
2,500
sense
rupees
one.
for this session. Each.
Oh, wow.
Well, I do have a pattern. My friends say I do have a pattern, but this is, yeah, I do like artists. Yeah, so she has another boyfriend now. I'm very happy for her. Who
Oh.
is
You don't
called,
Another
sound it.
boyfriend. Another
yeah,
boyfriend.
another boyfriend, but
You don't
अरे
yeah,
sound
another
happy,
मतलब
Jibby.
ऐसा नहीं कि
No.
yeah, it
ए
was not. It was
what the
a,
fuck.
I,
हाँ
it was not. Maybe I should have tried, but then I didn't. That's on me. I fully agree. But she was a really nice person.
चलो सही है.
Jibby's like,
Good.
I'm happy for her. I really am happy for her. I promise.
I
I'm
guess
so
I guess
happy.
you couldn't get together with the astrophysicist because of the fault in our stars.
Damn.
The
Wow.
only pattern I am seeing is Jibby repeating, I am happy for her throughout his life.
I'm happy.
No,
It's
wait,
all
wait,
my
wait.
fault.
अर्चिता तेरा डेटिंग का बता ना मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत हंस रही है ना सबका
हाँ,
उसका
बोल,
सीधा
बोल, बोल.
शादी ब्रो डेटिंग ही नहीं होता
हाँ
देखो
Yeah.
और
बता
शादी
बता
करो
do you, what's your first
नहीं.
text to her
Hey, but
मंगलसूत्र कब
divorces on
डालेगा
these
is that
apps
your
have like wild stories. Okay.
oh yes
Oh.
yes
जिसने 3 बार
yes
तलाक
yes
तलाक तलाक करके
Yeah.
भेजा हुआ है
Like you are on Hinge, divorces are on unhinged. Okay.
Okay. So,
oh, nice
okay, which part of the story? I'm like, which one should I
Oh,
talk about right now?
I
Okay,
guess
so
we should
I
do
Choose the-
Archita part 1, part 2.
yeah.
oh there'll be part 3, part 4, part 5 as well. Okay.
बता बता फिर.
So I installed dating app when I was 21. I was in my face like I hate men. And my way of taking out my anger was swiping left on the
अच्छा
people on the
I
dating app.
I thought it
So,
was coming on irrelevant stories and just shitting on it.
Oh, that's
well,
that's
Okay.
no
genius.
but I have a doubt can I ask a doubt
so
so
there was
were
this
you
one guy.
शादीशुदा then just want to ask
क्या?
What? No.
अच्छा 21 तक divorce हो गया था
Well, I तो forgot about him. I'll remember
अच्छा but
about
you were
him like
still
once.
married you were still married ना
Yeah,
divorce
we were separated,
हाँ okay हाँ
living our
is
lives.
it necessary to know this हाँ
Yeah.
प्रवेशिका सच्ची का शादी नहीं हुआ था but I'm just saying
I know
I don't know if you caught it but सच्ची का नहीं हुआ था but okay हाँ
Bro, but it's okay.
हाँ
सचिन का शादी नहीं हुआ तो क्या वैसे भी she like Praveshika is dating fictional characters. So what if fictional शादी is going on? Let her be.
Nobody is
yes
nobody
yes
nobody is
fiction is
judging.
the new truth okay continue
sure
Okay.
sure yeah.
So
good
yeah, I had a blank profile. I was like bored, and I was like, I am going to hate on men, and so I installed Bumble.
चलो चलो
For 1.5 hour straight, I swiped left on men. At 11 p.m. at night, I'm like left. Mera anguta was paining, and I was like, okay, fine. Let's
इतना
see
लेफ्ट कर
what's
लिया
the
कि
fuss about.
हाँ
Let's see what's the fuss about, and I swiped right on few people, and one was Nikhil, and that's how I landed here. And now I'm gonna rant about my actual traumas on dating.
the moment she went blank wallpaper I am like ये आने वाला है मेरे पे ही आने वाला है this is gonna come back and bite me in
The
the ass
only
for no
good thing
reason
that came out of dating app is you, Nikhil.
oh
I'm
wow
very
what
honest.
a
Wow. This is the biggest award.
compliment that is ever
Yeah.
yeah
But also like what a great charity you have done. Oh, enough left swiping. Let's see now. Now for okay. Just to equal the universe. Gabi, I swipe right. It's okay.
Yeah,
Soda
that's
let me
that,
Soda let
that
me
is
have a
how
win
I
no
felt.
just let me have a win did I do anything just let me have one win
I mean,
come on
you won. No, she's here. No,
yeah she's here
Nikhil.
yes
Finally, all of us witnessed that you are actually talking to a match in front of all of us.
Exactly.
अरे भाई जीत
Talking.
गया भाई, जीत गया. Wow. Wow. Oh my God.
Lottery lag gayi, man.
Bro, this
Oh,
podcast has
fuck.
come full circle. We have watched you grow in front of our own eyes. Oh my God. Which
This
is,
is like
and you
circle of
can't
this
even see
circle of
our
life.
feet in this. अभी सीधा
I'm
face to
happy
face
for
बात
you.
करेगा मेरा भाई, face to face.
अरे कहा भाई
रोज करने चला था ना मुझे.
चल 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 चल
Okay,
Okay.
next.
So I have like had a few matches. I have like few trauma stories. One specifically, one is a stalker. I don't want to talk about that. One I want to talk because it's fun.
because you didn't want to give attention, no?
Yeah,
Hey,
I don't want to go there.
Go
So
on.
one match I matched like there was this one guy. We had a good chat. Like we were vibing, and we was like, okay, let's go out on a date. And I was like, for the first time ever, I could not like think of a reason why I should not. And I was like, "ठीक है, okay, let's do that." And we exchanged Instagram, and the story plot thickens here. We exchanged Instagram. He sent me a request, and we accepted, and we were planning a date. Like we were planning a place and a date and a time and everything.
क्या
And
बात है
meanwhile, my best friend calls me, and she goes, "Why is this guy sending you a request?" But she had my account for some reason at the time. Then she was like,
Instagram account, na?
her Instagram
हाँ,
account.
okay.
Because I gave it to her for some reason or whatever. She saw the notification. She's like, "Why is this guy sending you a request?" And I was like, I told her like we matched and we were planning to go on a date. And she goes, "No." I was like, "Kya hua?" And she goes, "This guy is dating one of my classmates." And I was like, "Oh." And he's like, "Which?"
Oh.
And I was like, "Oh, this is the guy which saw kissing pictures of on Instagram." And we were like so cute, and we were like, this is the relationship we want and all these things. And I was like, shit. And I was like,
Hey, you are getting the
let it
same relationship. Hey.
You're getting the same relationship.
जो चाहिए था मिल गया.
Huh.
मिल तो गया है. Oh wow.
And I was like, maybe they broke up because 1 month ago the photo was. And she was like, bro, they were like all celebrating their 1 year anniversary and everything. And I was like, okay, let's find out whether they are still dating.
And let me guess, your friend also has that girl's Instagram.
Yeah, of course. Bro, classmates.
Oh.
So she calls one of her friend and she's like, bro, are they still dating? And she's like, yeah, few days ago they went on a trip or something, like they are still together. And I get the call back, I get the news, and I'm like, I am going to do something about this. I need to know what is happening. I call up the guy, and I'm like, by the time we had exchanged numbers and like because we were planning to meet, so exchange numbers and Instagram and everything. And I was like,
Yeah.
hey, hi, what's up? And thoda small talk. I did some small talk, and I was like, hey, I wanted to check with you. Are you still dating so and so? And he went quiet for 2 minutes. You won't believe. He goes quiet on the call. And then I'm like, hello, hello, hello.
ये स्टार
आवाज आ
सीरीज
रही
नहीं
है.
है, ये स्टार गैराज है.
And he goes, how do you know that I was dating her?
Just
He
say yes.
was dating her. ठीक है?
Oh.
And I'm
हाँ.
like, oh, so you're not dating her anymore. And he goes quiet again. And I'm like,
Hilarious.
and I'm like, then he goes, no, so we broke up recently and like it did not work out for us and things like that. But okay, let it be about that. And how did you know about this? And I was like, your girlfriend and my friend are in the same class. They are studying. together. So they were in college
Oh.
like at the time. And he was like, yeah, please tell your friend to not tell her about this incident. And I was like,
No.
yeah, okay. And no, wait. Before that, he goes, please don't tell your friend about this incident. And I'm like, I'm literally live chatting with her while I'm on a call with you. That you're doing this.
भाई
And
ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है
yeah, that's
कांड
why
ऑलरेडी कर दिया है
it just gets better and better.
okay.
So now I'm like, yeah, okay, let's just meet. Well, I'm like, yeah, I'm not about to meet. I was like, yeah, I won't tell my best friend. It's okay. I understand you broke up. It happens. Life happens and all these things. I'm like nicely sweet talking to him. And he's like, yeah, bro. And then he's like ranting about her a bit. You know, the relationship did not work out. That's why I thought maybe I should get out and like, refresh and all the lies that men could say at the time. And I was like, yeah, okay. And then after like few minutes of the call got cut. I call my best friend and I'm like, you have to tell her that his guy, her guy is on a dating app and all these things. And in the meantime, I go on Instagram and I see a mutual with the guy. Mutual, as in not another of my friend has matched with him. She's also one of my closest friend. And I'm like, bro, did you ever meet him?
Why is every friend of yours and you
Swiping on the
matching
same
the
guy.
same fucker? How good is his game? Now I want to know. ये क्या है? What the fuck? Okay.
Bro. And I was like, she was like, I asked her if they met because I wanted to know, I wanted to take this too far. And she was like, no, bro, I could not meet. And I was like, we ended up, and I was like, okay, send me a screen recording of the chat.
Oh.
Because meanwhile, I took a screen recording of my chat. I took a screen recording of the call logs. I took a screen recording of the Bumble chat. Everything because I
Nice.
needed proof. And
Okay.
then next day when my best friend went to the college and she was like, she spoke to a girl and she was like, you tell her ki this is happening and all. And she was like, nahi, main nahi kar rahi, I'm not getting involved. So my best friend took matters in her own hand and she called the girl. She's like, this happened. And she explained the whole story that your boyfriend is on a dating app and everything. While she's on call, the girl goes, like, nothing she says. And she says, I'm sitting in his apartment. He just went out to get something.
Oh.
And
तो एक सेकंड तो wait, कितना लड़की लोग है ये स्टोरी में? मेरे को ये
बहुत.
समझने पे
so this
Thoda
girl
is
was-
following it to the T.
bro, like ये कितना
With
I'm
biscuits.
like
Thoda's like, I need entertainment, bro. This is
so
Soda
the
did-
girlfriend
थोड़ा ये क्या है? Oh my god. Okay.
the girlfriend is literally in the guy's apartment on his bed talking, listening to his infidelity while he's outside. So she's now furious ki what is happening and all, obviously. And she's
Mhm.
like, okay, I'll talk to him. She cuts the call. The guy comes in. She was like, what is this, that? And she remembers that she saw an OTP coming up from Bumble long back.
OTP.
On his phone while she was doing something, or she might, I don't know. And the guy,
OTP आ रहा है.
bro, so the
Out
clue,
of all the ways to be get caught, out of all the ways, Bumble का OTP आया.
Sir, OTP.
कुछ भी हो सकता था, but
the guy goes, my friends might have used my number to install the app.
अरे सोडा आप
Yeah, I also used to write OTPs for people.
One time poetry.
Yes.
One time
Oh.
poetry.
Bro,
Very funny. Very funny.
he goes,
Oh fuck.
my friend might have used my number to, install the app and everything. And some Balchify something he does. And she goes calm for a few seconds. And then this whole thing happens and she's hyper and they have a fight. And he's like, I don't know. I don't know what is happening and all these things. And he tells some lie and moves on. A few minutes later, my friend and her have a conversation. Is like, ye to isne ye bola ki I'm just lying. Nothing has happened like this. And that's when I have the proof. I sent
Oh,
all the proofs
that's
to
when
her
I have
and
the
she
proof, but
I sent all the
unfortunately does not have. Chalo,
No, I send
जो भी
all the
बोल रही हो.
proofs to her and she forwards it to him. And
हाँ.
while I'm doing this, I realize that he has unsent all his Instagram messages and only my chat is there. Like, I am an idiot talking to myself.
Hey, how are you? I am fine. How about you?
No, there is no how are you. It's I
Hey,
am fine.
this
Okay,
is me
let's meet
talking
and
to my
see.
crush. Okay, this is me talking to my crush. Just one-way conversation. यहाँ पे. What the fuck?
So I am like, but I had screen recorded everything beforehand. Smart too. And I send all the proof to her and she forwards and she reads all the proof. This guy manifests a lie saying I had matched with him like years ago, 2-3 years ago, and we had a chat for like a year-long chat. And we met once and I was the obsessed person and I became a stalker and I was not leaving his side and all this. This was his story. He was basing
बात?
everything on that.
He's good
क्या बात?
storytelling, isn't he? He's just
Yeah.
So when he had gone out to get something, it was clearly to get excuses.
Clearly true. Yeah.
Oh my god.
it's like he's yes-anding everything.
Yeah.
He's like improving the entire
It's like a
story.
great improv
Yeah,
artist.
bro.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Oh
Beautiful.
my god.
So I have officially become the villain here. I'm like, I'm the stalker, I'm the narcissistic person. I'm like, I want him, I want this guy and nobody else in my life. I will ruin his life. And so basically, I've done all these things according to him.
What you did ऐसा when you were 6 years old with some other girls ऐसा ये मेरा पति है ऐसा
Oh, this is the guy? Okay.
Now the only difference is ये उसका पति है.
Yeah.
उसका पति है.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
And I am here, like,
God.
I got to know that I was the obsessed person apparently. And I'm listening, oh, I did this, oh, I did that. Like
Oh.
my witness to my own life apparently. So this has happened. The entire question, I was like, my job was to let the girl know that this is your boyfriend and I don't want to deal with this guy or anybody else. I'm out of the picture. And I don't know what story he told her again after that when I said nothing has happened like that and all. And she blocked my friend, her friends' friends on all her
Oh.
accounts.
Oh.
Wow.
क्या बात. What a story. लेकिन आखिर में उसका हुआ क्या?
They were still together
What?
based on my last update.
What?
So I was waiting because I knew this is how it would turn out. Because I have
So-
done something similar where I told somebody that their boyfriend is cheating on them, and I sent screenshots. And this person was so dumb. They asked, "What time did this happen?" Screenshot भेजा है मैंने.
There is time in it.
I'm like, you deserve this. You deserve.
Bro,
But
the shocking part was she's studying. Okay, like she's going to become a doctor. I don't follow
Wait,
it, so I
Oh,
don't
what?
give two shit. Yeah, she probably is a doctor now. And she is bisexual. She's very vocal about everything in her life. She's like a very upfront person, and the personality is very strong. And after
oh,
all these things, when I found out that she's with him, I'm like,
yeah.
कुछ नहीं होना.
Personalities तो strong है भाई. That's why
Sorry,
she is able to handle it,
कुछ
no?
नहीं होना.
But also, if she is doctor, तो मतलब body can be disposed easily. No?
Oh,
And the fucker
Unfortunately,
had
that
told
did
this
not
while
happen.
eating a biscuit. What the
They
hell
are
was like just having a biscuit and just saying this?
he's like, that's my moment. Oh, I will take it. Is that bourbon, by the way? Yeah, now I
bourbon.
want. Give.
What the fuck? What the fuck? चलो मेरे को भी अभी खाने का
बॉर्बन के फेंक के मारो.
Fuck.
है. This fuck.
Oh
Oh
yeah,
wow.
this is one of the traumatizing story I had from my dating app, and
Yeah, clearly, clearly. You went through a lot of trauma than the girl who he was dating. I agree. I completely agree.
now I go on
Yeah,
dating app and
you were
I'm like,
the
are you married by any chance because you're talking so smoothly?
हाँ randomly she's texted me कि तू शादीशुदा है क्या? And I'm like क्या बोल रही है? What are you saying? मैं काहे को शादीशुदा इधर रहेगा? मैं
But
राजस्थान से
also,
इसका मतलब कुछ भी पूछ
do
लेगा
you
क्या? ऐसा
do
सब
you
है आज.
expect anybody to say yes? Why are you asking?
Oh, there was a guy who did.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. There are people who
भाई,
say yes. That's what.
वो क्या
Have
रहा
you
है इस
seen
दुनिया
dating
में?
apps right now? Yes. Hey, by the way, are you married? Yes.
This
And
is
he's
why.
like,
This is why I'm losing hope on these apps. Like, this is why I
Yeah.
just like
You know how
मुझे
fuck on
भागना है.
life is right now? There is a feature called
Hmm.
double date now, right now on Tinder. There's a thing
What the
called
f-
double date.
what the
Yeah,
fuck?
But
it's crazy.
that used to be group date feature. Now it's become double date.
No. It's a very weird thing now.
I mean,
So,
back in the day, there used to be one feature where
like,
Uh-huh.
you basically tell people on Tinder कि I am in this location with my friend and we are both single. तो किसी को आना है तो झुंड में आओ.
किसी को आना है
साथ
तो
में
झूठ
मिलके
बोलो.
orgy
है
करेंगे.
ना? Yeah.
साथ में मिलके orgy करेंगे. It's too funny.
Hmm.
Like literally, मैं अभी double date किया. हाँ, double date friends. You can pair up with max 3 of your friends on double date. Hey, GB.
Bro, एक को नहीं मिल रहा है.
It'll just end up being us on a date, man. That's just going to be.
That's called an open mic. Okay, that's just us going on mics.
It's us and at like Santrupti sharing a butter naan with each other.
See. But yeah, what a great story. I
God.
think we should call. I don't think I can take this anymore. I think we should call this episode. Thank you so much. What a 2 hours 35 minutes of absolute chaos of what the fuck this episode has been. Matlab, part 1, part 2. I can do 3 parts and all at this point. What the fuck
Yeah,
is this?
I'm
But
like, you should just
what
do
a-
like 5 episodes of just this.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a compilation I will keep. Like one Pravishika special, one Soda special, one Archita special. This is fucking.
No wonder all of us
Oh,
are
wow.
doing shows on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Literally, it's like
This is fucking. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's been the show. That's been the episode. Thank you so much, everybody, or all the panel members who came for the show. तुम लोग को कैसा लगा? Hope you had a lot of fun shooting this episode. And तुम लोग को plug करने का है क्या? Soda, Pravishika, since you are doing shows, and Rishi, you are also doing a show, so you can
Yes.
plug.
I was gonna do that.
releasing this
Don't.
episode.
No. I was just thinking you would do it like
Oh, fuck. Car
So
only
yes,
now. Nice. Good.
I'm doing my
Yeah.
show called Happily Unmarried in Bangalore and Chennai back to back on the Valentine's Day weekend. So Feb 14th in Ministry of Comedy, 6 p.m. and Feb 15th at Trinity Studios
Hmm.
at 8 p.m. Happily Unmarried. It is the rags to riches story of how I got Yes. So come watch that show. If
The
you're in
fuck?
Bangalore or Chennai, come. Yes,
Uh,
please do. Couple passes are there with
Thank-
discount. Tickets are on Scenes
BMS and
District
District.
and BMS.
Yeah, that's very cool. Yes, Praveshika, what about you? What are you
Okay,
doing?
so me and a now amazingly chaotic and amazingly funny fellow comedian Neha, we both are
Mhm.
doing a half solo. It's called Heer To Badi Sad Hai Ji, because evidently we're very sad. After listening to
Mhm.
this, you will know. But
Mhm.
we're doing the show on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 6 p.m. at Punch, Alvarpet. The tickets are on Book My Show. So we also have couple passes. If you're single, you want to bring a friend, you want to bring the friend who with along with whom you busted out another friend's relationship, like Archita, all of you can come. Bring proofs
Yes,
along. We
yes.
will have a great conversation and jokes. But yes, tickets are on Book My Show, 6 p.m. at Panchalvarpet.
Awesome. That's perfect. Amazing. Krishi,
So
you are
we are
doing the show, no?
doing our
31st.
half solo. Me, Divyanand, and
Uh-huh.
Vanshita. So with these great comics, we are doing a Gen Z Boomers on Jan 31st.
Uh,
So at Trinity. So tickets on Kin,
hmm.
and if you want, you can DM us. And what else I can say? It will be a funny. That's it. Oh.
Funny. Yeah. It's fun. The Gen Z boomers, very fun. Very fun it is. I would personally attend because I'm there only. So I have no choice but to attend.
Hey, Nikhil,
But,
are you also
yeah.
doing a show on Valentine's Day?
Yeah,
Yes,
aren't you?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I was going to come to that, but thank you. Very sweet of you all.
Soda
I'm
wants
just
to say a punchline to this, but okay.
Yes,
Never.
I
That was
know.
a setup for
But
you only. I'm like, hey, Nikhil, what
set
are
up
you
on
doing on Valentine's Day?
doing nice thing. I'm actually doing this show called BTS, BTS Bumble Tinder Shady.com. So that's my first special ad that I'm doing after a year and a half. Again, I took a break, wrote some new material, and the show is basically about relationships, dating apps, and yeah, it's all of whatever you saw SI, but in a more funnier, polished way. So yeah, if you guys have plans, want to make some plans, want to come with your dates or couples or just single people who are just annoyed at dating apps and just dating in general, so just come off. I'm doing a show on Valentine's Day, Feb 14, Trinity Studios, 4 p.m. So yeah, thank you so much. Please come to the show. And yeah, that's the
Links,
show, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you
links
so
in
much.
description.
Link is in the link in the BMS and District. So you can go and get these tickets. Yeah, thank you so much, everybody. That's been the show. That's been the episode. We'll see you next time. Papa, stay irrelevant and see you.
I'll try to be in all your shows. Laughing.
Thank you. In spirit, you shall be there. Yes.